How you doing, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change your windshield wipers on your Honda Accord. Personally, I have a 2022 Honda Accord model, but most of these apply to most car brands. The bigger windshield, it's the 26 inches, and the small one, it's 16 inches. But just always double check because it could be different sizes and everything. I don't know, so pull-out game is pretty weak right now. The bigger one, just try to hold it so it won't like go flying. You're just gonna press down on it and then you're gonna pull. Oh my god, okay. But yeah, this is not supposed to be this hard. So the new one is pretty simple. There's gonna be this little thing right here. You just click it down. You're gonna put it in the J hook. You're just gonna put it in there, push this up, and then you're just gonna click. And that's literally it. Now let's go do the next one. So same thing, you're gonna lift the smaller one. In the back there's gonna be this little hook, and then you just bring this down. There you go. It's not as hard as it seems. This one is just giving me a hard time. This small one right here. Before I put this in, I'm gonna be brutally honest with you guys, and they will never tell you this, believe me. You don't specifically have to change the entire windshield wiper. This is the blade protector. You're gonna remove this. Honestly, you can keep the windshield wiper, but this little blade here, you could go online to the Honda equipment website, car part websites, and you could literally just change each blade because each one costs like 25-30 bucks. You could just replace the blade for like 5, 6, 7 bucks, honestly. But in my case, mines are pretty old. I had it for a long time. I'm changing the whole thing. You're gonna unclick this. As you guys can see, there's a J hook right here. You're gonna put it inside like so. Make sure it's all the way in, and you click it, and that's how you successfully replace your windshield wipers on your Honda Accord. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow for more.